got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Well, a plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis.
Here we are on August the 5th, and we are on Bethel, Alaska. There are 4 of us, and we are getting ready to head out on a 10-day, 100-mile float to the Kwethluk River. Here's one of the airplanes that's going to be flying us out tomorrow. Here is the other airplane that's going to be flying us out tomorrow. Here's our humble abode for the evening in Bethel, Alaska with Papa Bear Adventures is the outfit that we're using. Here's our first mate, Connie Denault from St. Petersburg, Florida. His first venture to Alaska. Connie, what do you have to say?
I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm excited. We're looking forward to a great 10 days of fishing, camaraderie, good food. And there's not much more you can say that would make it any better than that.
Well said. And over here we have Mr. Stephen Coper. Stephen, what do you have to say, buddy?
Dude, I can't believe we're actually here. I'm psyched, man.
You really pumped? Stephen's also a first-timer here. First-time user. Mr. Jeff Jeanette. Last but not least, we have Mr. Jeff Jeanette. This is his 6th trip to Alaska.
First to the Kwethluk.
First to the Kwethluk. The previous 5 have been the Keys of Raleigh.
All reports say fishing is dynamite.
Absolutely. Fish on, baby. Fish on.
Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars, oh, they own prison bars like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther. I'm surrounded by...
All right, there we are. There's our plane. They just dropped us off. 10 days of isolation on the Kwethluk River. There he goes. He's off.
But the plane brought me farther. I'm surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Adios and via con Dios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. And if it weren't for tequila and pretty senoritas, I'd have no reason to stay. Adios and via con Dios. Yeah, I'm leaving GA. Gonna lay in the hot sun and roll a big fat one and grab my guitar and play. Days flew by like a drunk Friday night as the summer drew to an end. They can't believe that I just couldn't leave, and I bid adieu to my friends. Cause my bartender, she's from the islands. Her body's been kissed by the sun, and coconut replaces the smell of the bar, and I don't know if it's her or the rum. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand, not a worry in a world of cold beer in my hand. Life is good today, life is good today. Adios and via con Dios. A long way from GA. Yes, and all the muchachas, they call me Big Papa. When I throw pesos their way, adios and via con Dios, a long way from GA. Someone do me a favor and pour me some Jaeger, and I'll grab my guitar and play. Adios and via con Dios, going home now to stay.
Today is August 7th, Tuesday, and we are at camp number 2 on the Kwethluk. We just floated down just past Crooked Creek, found a neat little area here where they've got some back channels, and it seems to be loaded with probably, I don't know, Jeff, what'd you say, 30 or 40 chum?
Yeah, good amount of chum.
30 or 40 chum, so we're gonna try this thing first thing tomorrow morning and see if we can't catch some dollies and some rainbows. And there is Stephen Coper, AKA Fireman. Here we are, day 3, August the 7th. Is it Tuesday or Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
7th?
8.
Is it the 8th? Sorry, August the 8th. We're at camp number 3. And it has been an absolutely beautiful day on the river. We all caught fish. We got off the snide. Here we are. Here we are at the hole of all holes. Jeff, what did you call it?
The mother load.
The mother lode. This is some awesome backwater where we finally have come into chums, dollies, rainbows, whatever you can catch. I caught about 20 or 25 rainbows, 20 or 25 dolly right in that stretch down there where Steven's fishing. And then Jeff walked up and down this back stretch that goes all the way back through here and comes right back around over here and literally just slayed him as well. My dad, Mr. Papa, has on a beautiful silver. Let's see if he can actually bring this baby in. Let's watch him fight it for a minute. See if we can get a picture of the fish. There you go. Nice job, Papa. What do you have to say, Dad?
I'd say it's exciting, but they're strong.
You know I like my chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine, and that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled when love is grown in southern ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Oh, oh, oh. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio. Oh, oh, oh. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. All right, here we are, day 6, camp 6.
Today was a good day. We finally hit some honey holes. Jeff and Steven caught them early in some honey holes. Steven caught 2 of the biggest trout on the trip. Jeff and I don't know, we caught a ton of dolly and a ton of rainbow on a back channel. My dad caught dinner, caught a beautiful silver salmon tonight. And I think it's good signs to come. The river is getting very braided and we're starting to come in on the chums and the silvers, which has been a lot of fun. So it is, and as you can see, the weather again for a 5th straight day is absolutely incredible. It's 70, probably high of 73, 74 today. Something that you just don't get used to out here because the weather can change so dramatically in a given time period. But it's just been awesome. We're hoping for good weather tomorrow. Another load.
There is a tree at the entrance to the mother lode that's now named Todd's tree.
Todd's tree.
Where you pulled up rainbow after rainbow after rainbow after dolly after rainbow.
Yes, today was a good day of fishing for all.
A pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. It's funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most. Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love. Thank God for my life and for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio up. I like to see the sunrise, see the love in my woman's eyes, feel the touch of a precious child, and know a mother's love gets a little chicken fried.
Here we are, day 7, and we found our 3rd great hole of silver salmon. We got Jeff's got one on, and my dad had one on. This is just a great little back channel right here, and we weren't sure if there was anything in here, but thought there might. Steven's hooked up. This is what it's all about, fishing the Kwethluk River with some phenomenal silver salmon.
Huh?
Look at that.
Yeah.
That is a Kwethluk silver, baby. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Steven's got a nice one. Jeff, when you get a chance, hold him up. We'll get a picture of him here. Fish on, baby. Fish on.
It's about 5 pounds.
Yes. That would be a nice dinner if we catch that in a couple hours from now. Here we are, morning 8, our 2nd hole that we fished. And we have come into this little area over here just to make sure. And right down here in this little slough, it's about 8 feet wide and runs about 30 or 40 feet long. We're gonna give it a run here and see. There he is. There he is. Fish on. This isn't fun, is it? Here we are, Wednesday, about 12:50, waiting to be picked up, August the 15th. And we've got the just last remaining parts of our fire. We're hanging out, we've loaded up, our camps are down, tents are down, and we're just waiting for the boats to come in. There's all of our stuff right there. Just waiting to go home. Kind of looks like the day we left to come out. Jeff, any parting words before we leave our final campsite?
Nope, it was a good week, good 10 days. Looking forward to getting a cheeseburger and a soft bed.
Cold beer.
Cold beer.
Actually use the bathroom on a toilet.
Yeah.
I don't know, I might start using my yard.
Yeah.
Steven, what about you?
It was a blast, man. I didn't know what to expect, but it was better. And I can't put it into words.
That's awesome. There you go. Dad, what do you have as a parting comments other
I
than
think
political?
it was outstanding. The total adventure of scenery, wildlife, fishing. But I want to say a special thanks to my son Todd for taking good care of his dad, to Jeffrey Genet for being the cook of the week or the 10 days and fed us well along with Todd's help, and to my buddy Polka.
All right, guys, so 2014, it's tentative, but we're talking about Kwethluk, getting these guys back out. So, gentlemen, we ride.
We ride.
Today,
We
we
ride.
ride.